Welcome to Living Healthy 2. I'm Randy the Real, the Salad Man. Climb on in. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share so you'll be notified when I put my next video up. Now, if you're looking for a safe place to find tips on losing weight and living a healthier life, you're in the right spot. I've lost over 50 pounds in a little over 12 months, and I've done it mostly by eating healthy, exercise, and fasting. And I'm hoping that I could give you a few tips that might make a difference in your life. So let's take a look at what we're doing today. Quick question for everybody watching. When it comes to eating fruits and vegetables, are you eating fruits, vegetables, and salad? Give me an A in the comments. Give me a B if you know you're not eating enough fruits and vegetables. Today, I'll be making a delicious apple pecan salad. I know you're going to enjoy it. Let's get right in the kitchen. All right, folks, so let's get started with the chicken breast. All right, and we got our chicken breast washed nice. Now, this is a rather large chicken breast. I love the skin, smells good. Because it's so large, what I will do is cut a slit into it just so it cooks properly throughout. So right down in the middle of the breast, it's just gonna help it cook. You can split it. A lot of restaurants will say, well, you're getting a chicken breast or you're getting a chicken sandwich, but actually it's just half the breast. And anyway, this makes it really good for cooking, all right? Now you got your options when you're cooking the chicken breast. So I like to go with salt and pepper. Call me old school, but you could use the salt and pepper. You could go with black folks' favorite, Lawry's. But Lawry's tastes good. Slap Yo Mama. Today, you know what? We're going to try Slap Yo Mama. Usually I would do this with the traditional salt and pepper because you're going to get that nice baseline taste. But the Slap Yo Mama, this is Cajun, and it's a little bit spicy. It's a white pepper blend. It actually tastes really good. I wouldn't use it on things like burgers, but on roasted chicken, I think we're going to come out real good with this. So, little Slap Yo Mama. We'll get it on both sides of the chicken. Ground turmeric. And for me, so we got some turmeric in there. Put a little too much in that one spot. That's cool though. We're gonna go with just a little bit of olive oil. Keep it nice and moist. All right, and now we're gonna get this chicken breast in the oven. And while the chicken's cooking, we could go ahead and get these pecans roasted. Spread them out thoroughly. You don't want to, we don't have to break them up or chop them up. Not right now at least, because we want them to roast evenly. We don't want them to like burn or overcook. Right. Beautiful chicken breast right there, can't beat it. We'll go ahead and get these pecan in the oven. And next we'll want to just get that chicken breast that we made, and it's a beautiful chicken breast that I must say so myself. And then we'll go ahead and look how nice and juicy that is. That's about all the meat you need right there. Let's cut it up a little more. And let's go to the next step. And we'll go ahead and chop some apple. Now the apple we're using, rolling all over the place, these are delicious apple, red delicious apples. Now I'm not just saying they're delicious because I think they taste great. The name is Red Delicious Apple. And at least I'm pretty sure it's Red Delicious, but you want to get, I got this apple because it's a sweet apple. One apple should do it. So just chop the apple up. Folks, and it looked like one apple is more than enough. All right, make sure you got the stems out, all of the bad pieces. And let's put this up and move to the next step. All right, you want to make sure it is washed. And look at that great color right there. I got lettuce coming everywhere, right? All right. Just gonna cut that off. All right. Go with 2. It's all about the presentation sometimes. Don't you guys agree? Well, the love goes into the food. I really believe that some of that love transitions into taste. You should be able to pick up some dried cranberries just about anywhere. Sprinkle a little on there. Not too much, but even if you did sprinkle a little too much, you'll be all right. If you know someone that's not really great in the kitchen and trying to learn a little bit, maybe someone younger, maybe someone just don't cook often, send them this video. So here's the roasted pecan chopped up. So you could do all right with a half a cup. And get that all mixed in, yeah. At this point, we have green lettuce, we have the cucumbers, roasted pecan, dried cranberries. We're gonna add some blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese. Now you can be generous with the blue cheese. All right, folks, and we can't forget the main ingredient. The whole reason why it's called the Apple Pecan Salad is the apple chips. So, and this is about a half an apple right here. We can spread throughout the salad. Chicken breast. The great thing is you can make this a hot meal or cold meal. You can warm the chicken up, present it as a hot dish, or a cold dish with cold chicken. Bam! And now you got it. Chicken. Remember now, when it comes to the protein, you can go with chicken or you can go with a smoked turkey bacon. I decided to go with chicken. If it's going to take a while before you eat, these apples will turn. You want to squeeze a little lemon juice on the salad. It will help preserve the look and taste of the salad. You can even get a little on the chicken. Now you have a perfect apple pecan salad with chicken. When it comes to salad dressing, you can go with a more baseline vinaigrette, maybe a Greek or a house salad, and that will do it, folks. Hey, you got to make it. It's real easy to make. Pass it along, share the video. Randy the Salad Man. If you're not a big fan of chicken or want something a little lighter from perhaps, you can go with a turkey smoked apple bacon like I did, and you can leave the chicken for maybe more of like a dinner time salad. So you can't go wrong with turkey bacon. Smoked turkey apple bacon. You know what I mean. I mean, this is absolutely delicious right here.